All right, part three and final video on using the Tusi Pa'ia to learn the Samoan language. The last video, we established that a lot of verses start with the tense marker that tells us whether the verse is in the past, the present, or the future. Tense markers are the indicators for an action because right after the tense marker comes an action. In the first video, we talked about the subject. The subject either does the action or receives the action. In this video, we're talking about the location of the action or the time of the action. So here's the action with the tense. This is who's doing or receiving the action, and the action is going to happen over there at a location or a time. And you know that because the location phrase starts with words called prepositions. Words like to, at, from, for, there's a whole bunch of them. In Samoan, it's going to be stated as I, as in ilunga, ilalo, iluma, ya, yate, mai, mayate, mo, and so forth. There's a whole bunch of those. So even if you don't know the Samoan translation, just being able to recognize the different indicators in a verse, you can break a verse down phrase by phrase and learn the Samoan language using the Tusi Pa'ia.